Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Nodreen K, and thank you if you are coming back for part 2 of my Zara haul. So in this portion I am going to be trying on some of the items that I hauled in the first video, so if you haven't already seen that, click out of here, go watch that, and then come back and this will make a whole lot more sense. But if you are new here, please do subscribe before you leave. I upload 3 videos a week, and most of them are all about marketing, fashion, and some lifestyle stuff, so loads of vlogs. And if you want to see full-length outfit shots of these pieces, because I might only be able to get them in chunks, then head over to my Instagram and follow me over there. It's at Nodreen K. I will have posted all of these outfits on my feed. So let's get right into the haul. So I've got 3 of the items on from the first portion. First one being this dinner jacket. So the fit is incredible. So what I love most about it is like these lapels and the tailoring. So as you can see at the back, it really nips in very nicely. The pockets are really well done, and if I button it up, it just gives a really nice silhouette. So I popped the little bralette on the inside, so you can kind of wear this almost like a crop top, but it just goes really nicely. I like the white and black contrast. And the pants or the trousers, really good fit. I got these in a size 10, and I am a perfect 10 in Zara. So yeah, so this is just the string from the crop top hanging down. I kind of wanted to sort of do a little what do you call it, like a wraparound thing, but I didn't think that that would go so well in the suit. But in the next outfit that I'll show you, that will work quite nicely. But let me give you a close-up the trousers, because they are just divine. They've got pockets as well, so you can really give them something. But yeah, I would probably wear it buttoned up if I was wearing it with this bralette on the inside. And then yeah, you've got the full look, something like this. I popped on some black stiletto heels just for, you know, a bit more pizzazz. But yeah, love this as a first look. I'm going to try on 2 different options with this bralette as well, just so you guys can see how it sort of styles itself up. So yeah, number 1. So this next look is I'm still on the fence with it, but basically what I've done is I've kept the crop top inside this oversized sort of boyfriend shirt. So it's very oversized. I got it in a size small, and it's, or small, it might even be an extra small, and it is massive. But I feel like you could kind of do like a half tuck, like tuck one side in, leave one side out, and just sort of rock it like that. I've paired it with these mid-rise jeans, which I'm actually not mad at. So they kind of just fit quite nicely. They're sort of cropped at the bottom, and yeah, they've got quite a nice little fit going on. I like this look. I always like to do like a little bit of minimal jewellery with things like this. But yeah, guys, let me know how you would like style this shirt. Would you kind of, I guess you could kind of do a little tie thing here, you know, keep it quite casual. This is kind of like you're going to do some painting, or you're going to be like heading out and about. And on my Instagram, you'll be able to see that I styled it with these rear bands, which just gives it a nice little off-duty kind of look. I really like this style, but it might be slightly too oversized for me. So yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. The sleeves of the shirt are actually really long. I do love a long cuff, so that's what they actually look like on. And yeah, just styled up quite nicely. Let me tilt you down so you can kind of see the full look. You don't need to see my face. I think it's quite a nice little look, to be fair. So yeah. So that's look number 2. Okay, so this is the final look in this try-on, and actually a favourite, I would say. So it is this gorgeous ruffled mini dress. It's got these like really nice puffy sleeves, V-neck neckline, so it's like crossing over, and then it's got this lovely like ruching on the skirt. Let me tilt the camera down so you guys can see this. But yeah, it just kind of ruches right there. And I don't know if you can see, but it kind of has a bit of sparkle to it. So if it catches the light, it glitters really nicely. Now, I was going to wear this look with heels, but my heels have absolutely damaged the floorboards so far. So I need to get this fixed. But yeah, I'd probably wear this with same pair of like black strappy sandals that I had in the first portion, in the first outfit. And yeah, maybe like lots of like gold accessories, so like some gold. If you wanted to do like hair up with this look, which would be a shout, you know, you could do kind of like gold hoop earrings or something. And then just really summer it up, maybe like a low bun or that sort of thing. But yeah, I can't say it's something that I have anywhere to wear it to, maybe like a baby shower or something like that. Or like if you were an evening guest at like a summer wedding, this would work quite well. Just to kind of like show up in with some nice heels, maybe like a little white clutch bag or something. But yeah, it's really cute. Let me show you the back. Don't know if you guys can see that, but let me come up close. So yeah, so that is the final look in today's haul. I hope you have enjoyed it. I will have linked all of the items in the description box, so do check that out, as well as my last couple of Zara hauls. I've just put my Zara haul playlist in the description box as well, in case you want to check that out. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe for 3 videos a week, and come and follow me on Instagram if you want to see full-length pictures of these looks. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!